Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems here in Lecanto, Florida. We've been really busy. It's 2025 and right around the spring now. So we have a Colorado spring shipment going to Colorado, and it's just a beautiful compact 45. We're just kind of doing a, showing you what we do when we ship everything. We shipped all over the world, so we're really experts in ensuring that you get a safe ship in the new condition and without any scratches or dents or broken components. We make sure everything is done in the right way. We have a 5/8 plywood. It's machine screwed down as well as bolted. So all these components are bolted. We'll ratchet strap the tank around the machine so that it keeps it nice and tight. And everything that you see here is going to Colorado Springs, Colorado. And we detached the inline filter box. That's going to be separately shipped. We don't mind spending extra money to ensure you get safe ships so that you know that when you get your item, it's in new condition and it's not damaged. So that will be shipped separately. This will be in a box that says this side up. It will go safely and gently to the bottom of this tank. You have the inline, this is your inline hose here. We have another hose that will be put in there as well. We also have the power connection and the two hoses that go to your tank. Everything is nicely labeled. We label everything in here to ensure that you know where things are connected. We do a lot for that. I mean, we label everything. Label this here to ensure that you crack this open to keep it safe. It's all been fully winterized. We don't take any chances with the climate and the temperatures. We know this time of year can get a little weird on temperature. So we want to ensure that all the coils and the fittings and hoses are all safely winterized with windshield wiper fluid. And the manuals will be put in place here as well. We also send a free troubleshooting guide on a flip book or PDF right to your email, as well as a guide to troubleshooting this unit and operating it as well. And when a person buys one of our units, we make sure we do a lot of videos to show the demonstration and the operation of the machine, so that when it gets to you, you'll have it as a permanent record, as to show you, you can replay the video back and to ensure that you're doing everything right. So everything is put together here. We'll put cardboard in between, and we'll cardboard it and shrink wrap it, pad it up, make it safe ship. Make sure you spend a lot of money on this equipment. We want to ensure we've shipped all over the world, so we're really good at making sure that we ship safely. If it takes half the day to do it, that's whatever it takes to ensure that you have everything coming to your door safely. And we recommend that a lot of times people will want to have their equipment to a terminal, and we can make arrangements for that. Initially, the bill of lading will reflect your address, but you can make arrangements with the shipping company to have, go directly to them where they have a forklift. So whichever way you guys want to do it, we'll make it easy for you, okay? So like I said, we do a lot of shipments, and been doing this for 19 years. We're a 19-year builder. We're very proud of what we put together. High quality aluminum tanks, 3/16 thick. Everything is just nicely built. And we're gonna, before we do any shrinking or padding, we're gonna label these two to show which, that goes to your dump solenoid, that goes to the right hand side for your primer, chemical primer and relief valve, which is that relief valve that I pointed out right here. We try to make everything easy. We don't want any second guessing. We want you guys to be able to put this thing in and do the very best you can to get up and running and make money. So whichever color you want, working man's gray, black, orange, yellow, blue, the ocean blue, which is our standard Blue Baron trademark color, but whatever you want, we'll do to make it easy for you. Number 727-505-2989, or look us up online at truckmountstore.com 24/7. Thank you.